Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Order Tags for WooCommerce, creating and managing order tags. This tutorial demonstrates how to add and customize order tags in WooCommerce. Order tags help categorize and manage orders efficiently. Go to WooCommerce and click on Order Tags. Enter the desired name for the new order tag. You can use any name. You can also organize order tags into a parent-child structure. For example, you could create a parent tag and then add subtags like high priority and low priority. This keeps things organized. Select the parent order tag from the drop-down when creating a new tag. You can also add a description about your order tag. After doing so, click on Add New Order Tag. This creates your new order tag. If you wish to edit the order tag, click Edit or Quick Edit below the order tag. Here, you can edit the name, slug, and parent order tag. You can also add a description. You can set the color background for the tag. Choose any color. You can also choose a color for the tag text. After making changes, scroll down and click Update. This updates the order tag. This video explains how to create and customize order tags in WooCommerce to streamline order management. Well, that wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.